All right, welcome back to Building Dad Bod 2.0. It is bench press day. Shoulders are feeling a little jacked up, so started off with some warm-up high reps on the incline cables, then some face pulls, followed by some banded pull-aparts. I just did 15 to 20 reps on each set and did that 3 times. Then on to bench press. So I'm going to start moving a little bit heavier weights again now. So I did 3 sets of 3 at 242. This was the third set. Third set moved really nice. So we'll add another few pounds next week, and we'll just keep adding a few pounds every week. Trying to get the top end up a little bit here. And then I'm going to start going, starting at 220 here. I did 3 sets of 6. Next week I will go up again a few pounds on this. Goal is to get just 3 sets of 5. But it was moving nice even after the 242. So just hit 3 sets of 6. Next week at I'll probably just go up a kilogram a week, so 2.2 pounds. And we'll just shoot for a minimum of 3 sets of 5. And then incline bench press, 3 sets here. This was set 3 of 3. Went up 5.5 pounds from last week. And incline is something I haven't been doing with a barbell. So it actually felt better this week than it did last week. Last week was 165. And definitely didn't feel awesome. This week, right from the first set, I was able to come down, touch every rep off my chest. Last week I was hovering a little bit just because my shoulders were not feeling it. But felt really good this week. Got 9 reps. That was the 3 sets of 9 reps. So I was happy enough with that. We'll go up another 5 pounds next week on there. Then went on to actual working sets of incline cable press. Kept all the reps in the 12 to 15 rep range there. Then I'm still rehabbing these forearms. This wrist roller has been magic. Up to 88 pounds today. Sets of 15 in both directions. So same thing, 3 sets. So total of 90 reps, 45 in each direction. Really helping the forearms come along. And then we did a superset consisting of face pulls. After the face pulls, we did rear delt flies on the cable machine. And then right away went into side lateral raises. So same thing, 3 rounds here, all high reps. Basically just to failure every set. And then did some isometric holds. I like doing this just with a loop band. Isometric holds in like a rear delt fly position and then down into a side lateral raise position. I just hold that band, press against it as hard as I can. Next superset consisted of tricep press downs, reverse grip curls with my extreme fat grips. It's like a 12-pound Coke can. Not a ton of weight yet, but just trying to make these forearms work without hurting them worse. Then some neutral grip wrist curls with a kettlebell. If you've never done that, works really well. My left side's substantially weaker than my right side, so we're trying to even that out. And then here we are doing static holds with the bottoms up 35-pound kettlebells. And then after about a 10-15 second static hold, doing some nice slow and controlled reps. I think I got 5 reps on this. You can see the one on the right side of the screen, my left hand was really leaning. I was working really hard to keep that upright. Definitely this week. Last week I did this before my other grip stuff. This week I did it as my last exercise. And my hands were working hard. Just did 2 sets here like this. Building the hand strength and just wrist stability, wrist strength. Hitting the forearms in some fashion every single day. Starting to feel a lot better in the forearms and elbows. That's it for the workout. Have a great night.